You need to know how Tagore made money. First of all, he started with one service station called Sakunda. Sanapenda mashoko aruya panapa atokana pomshogeza chipfumura Tagore nezvigananda rogo subscribe like on the bell icon. Aiwa panguva inoi Geza ajamuka auya achifumura zvakanyanyisa anobuda achiti soon after that we all of a sudden heard of command agriculture. We discovered later it wasn't his money, it was money he was getting from government and not returning the money. He didn't stop there. He went on to go and steal companies owned by the government, companies owned by the defense forces, other companies owned by the British people, which were under liquidation, but because of the network he had under him, the network was well oiled. It lied to the point that no one thought this would be discovered. He accumulated a debt of 900 million USD without any security. You'd wonder how on earth he got such. The person behind these deals is Amazon. I told you there are companies he stole. At the army, he stole a company called GTI. These GTI companies are platinum companies which are on the Great Lake. What shocks us is that Obam Chunguru and Nepera, permanent secretary, both of them remain quiet while these military-owned companies were taken over. Also just are struggling. Ndo mashuka kuda pana pachiexposewa vanatagure vachidzi aiwa varikuya vachitora macompanies vanchete magovernment companies nemabritish companies vachipiwa mari dzinosvika kuma900 million. Panapa kunokonzi macompanies aiona mawofi emasectors akaita seamasoja panguva ine anotora zvekare nethese guys vachikonekta mari dzese dzakanga dziri budgeted for those companies vachidziita for their own selves. Panguva inoi zvatiri kuona kuti vana Opa Muchunguru they are being accused kuti why are they remaining quiet pamusoro aiwa pemasoja ari kunokonzi they are struggling pamusoro petheir welfare inouya ichisabotechewa inokusaiziwa nevanhu vakaita sana Tagore. Tudze mafukiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi zvinyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino yangosara yamademe. Ndakome section yedu dzemafukiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.